Yo, we got Third Degree in the building. Yo, what's up? So we here with SK Tools, man. SK Tools went all out for this event, as y'all can see. It's really crazy. From the partnership that they did with ItsJustA6. No, you hold it. Give him back the camera.
Get out the way, man. Get out the way.
Get out my shot.
Let me get in this.
Get out my shot.
Get out the way. Get out the way. You on the throne. You ain't on the throne. You know how many times I beat this dude?
This dude is at home,
This dude ain't
bro.
on the throne.
This dude is at home. Hey, look, we got a drag race right now. I give you that. I give you that.
You gonna run me today?
But you ain't never see me in the street, so he ain't never come see me in the street. As a matter of fact, we went out in the streets and he stayed home in the bed. You know what I mean? We was in Chicago. What was that? What was that? Chicago? Maryland.
Yeah.
Maryland, we went to hunt in the streets and everybody was going out and here this guy. I think you got him trained well, Cindy. You got him trained well. He ran home.
Hey, but who snatched them souls when we got to the track?
Look, we ain't talking about that right now. Yo, what's up everybody? It's Stefan here from Mod2Fame and we are back with another video. This time we are in Dallas, Texas at Extreme Raceway Park and we're gonna race your boy Demonology, Stang Mode, and ItsJustA6. Anyway, let's jump into it. Let's go.
Get the ball. They taking pictures. I crown you, sir, light a line. Make sure you cut a good light, sir, light a line. There you go. Anybody else want to be crowned with me? Come on. What's your name? David. Come down, David. What kind of car you got? You don't got a car? I crown you, sir, wannabe. There you go, sir, wannabe. There you go. Hey, when you get a car, what kind of car you gonna get?
Silverado.
Oh, some Silverado? Okay, there you go. Anybody else want to be crowned while I'm knighting? Anybody? Come on, let's get knighted. What's your name? Tristan, what kind of car you got? A Volkswagen Jetta. What? He got about 728. You gotta come crown this man. He got a Volkswagen Jetta. Come on, I got you. Come on. I crown you, sir, Red Baron. Paint your car red, rapid red. Go on, Volkswagen Jetta. Go snatch your soul.
It's like a show out here because they didn't allow racing yet. Racing is coming up just now. But I was walking through the staging lanes and I ran across this thing. I was like, why is there a matte manila or vanilla, whatever you want to call it, colored Hellcat? And I saw the drag radials, saw the drag wheels, and I was like, okay, it's hood up, let me see what's going on. So as I was walking through, I was like, yo, look at the blower, bruh. Look at this. Bro, I don't think I've ever seen a blower this big on a Hellcat. Like, this is crazy. So I asked my man, I said, yo, what size is this? I was like, okay, this gotta be one of them 4.5s. He said 4.9. Here's what I want y'all to understand. A 4.9 liter is the size of a damn motor. Like, that's the size of another engine sitting on top of the engine. And he got all of this hooked up to a 426 stroker, bro. A 426 stroker. Now his plate is very accurate. Cat, very, very accurate. So let's meet the dude who built this thing. Yo, my man.
Yes.
This you right here, bro?
That's me.
This you?
That's
Yo,
me.
what possessed you to build a stroker motor Hellcat? What possessed you to do that, man?
Something different.
Everybody got pulley, upper, lower. You wanted something crazy.
Something sick, man.
Okay.
Something sick. Something wild.
So you didn't blow your motor, none of that.
I blew my stock motor.
You did blow your stock motor.
Stock motor went to the.
Okay, so what you decided to do was you built a 426 stroker.
Yeah.
So that consists of what?
Man, to be honest, like everything pretty much just beefed out. I mean, that's the best way I can articulate it to you.
Okay,
Stronger, you know?
Right, exactly. And then what made you decide to put this type of blower on there? That's massive, 4.9?
Yeah, well.
Why'd you go so crazy?
The motor needs air. And the 4.9, it gives it all the air it wants to give it.
So what is this blower capable of PSI wise?
This blower, from what I've been told, it goes up to 45 PSI.
Jesus
Yeah.
Christ.
With this pulley, which is a 4.5 pulley, this one goes to 30 PSI.
Right. So that's crazy, bro. So yo, y'all heard it, bro. Y'all heard it. The blower is called a Mammoth. It makes a whole lot of sense. So today, man, talk to us. What type of pressure are we running today through this forged motor?
So if everything checks out, it's
On this pulley.
On this pulley,
how much PSI are you pushing?
26 PSI on just this pulley.
Okay, now I'm gonna tell you right now. My car pushes about 20 PSI through the stock blower, right? Y'all know about my Hellcat. And that makes, with that setup, upper, lower, catless, and a little fuel, my car makes about 900 wheels.
Right.
What are you expecting this thing to make at 26 PSI with a built motor and that size blower?
It should hit over 1,200 easy.
Over 1,200 horsepower.
Yeah.
And that's on what fuel?
E90.
Bruh.
Yes, sir.
Bruh. This is crazy, bruh. We might have to take this out and really see what's up, because this is crazy, bro. So where can they find out more information about this car? You got a YouTube or anything like that?
Man. Sick with 2 Ks, Sikkwhips, man. That's where it's at. Right there on front of the windshield.
Okay. You got an Instagram?
Yes, same thing. Sick with 2 Ks _ whips.
All right, brother. And what should they expect to see when they look at your channel?
Man, they should expect to see this thing running 8 seconds easy. I'm going with a TH400 transmission, and then I'm about to throw Tech heads in there. I'll probably beef out the motor a little bit more.
So you're not done?
Oh, no, I'm not done.
My man,
I'm
my
not
brother.
done.
Sikkwhips, good to meet you, bro.
I appreciate you, man.
Good to meet you, man. All right, guys, start up. Yo! That shit sound like you got well over 1,000 horsepower, bro. Well over 1,000. All right, back to the rest of the show.
Hey man, I wanted y'all to go first. You want to be the first one to take my car down the track?
What's up, man? How you doing?
Let one of them be first. Want to help? He's gonna drive it down.
So you racing me, brother,
and you're gonna drive it down the track. We're gonna see which one of y'all get a faster time.
Okay.
So we're just gonna do it early before they start the race. I got a jacket for you and a helmet. What you mean?
No, I got a helmet.
Yeah. I'll let you cover that.
Bro, how are you not?
Now I'm not gonna let you drive
by now, brother.
Oh,
How are you doing?
Dude, I don't know how you
Wait,
what's
what's driving?
woke up
So
way too early. We woke up at like 6 a.m.
anybody can
so.
drive on
Crazy.
Oh, what's the process next, man?
So I guess we're about to get this thing set up, get this thing going,
What's going on
just
here?
now. So we'll get it going
Okay.
and we'll make it happen.
All right, guys, we got Mod2Fame from New York. Famous car is Cheapokitty. We're going to give him the best time he did in the Soul Snatcher. And next will be ItsJustA6. We're going to be racing the Soul Snatcher. So far, Slane Mode has set the mark at 5.9. Looks like he's ready to celebrate.